Christmas is a joyful time when we celebrate how Jesus came to rescue us. Like a shepherd who saves his lost sheep, Jesus told a story about a shepherd with 100 sheep. When one got lost, the shepherd left the 99 on the mountains to find it. When he found the lost sheep, he joyfully put it on his shoulders and carried it back to his village, celebrating with his friends. We are like that lost sheep. We have wandered away from God by making choices that separate us from him. The Bible calls this sin, which means going against God's way. Sin makes us feel lost in life. But God didn't leave us lost. He sent his son Jesus to be born on Christmas. His birth began his journey to find and to rescue us. Like the shepherd looking for his lost sheep, Jesus searches for us and calls us by name. When we respond and turn away from our sin, we are then found. Jesus just didn't tell the story of the lost sheep. He lived it with great compassion. Like the shepherd who carried the lost sheep on his shoulders, Jesus carried the weight of our sins to the cross. He took our punishment and gave his life for us. In the Bible, lambs were sacrificed to pay for sins, and Jesus became like one of those lambs for us. Because of his sacrifice, God can forgive us and restore us to a peaceful relationship with him. 3 days later, Jesus came back to life, and because he lives, we can follow him with hope, trusting him to guide us like a good shepherd. This is the story at the heart of Christmas. God's never-ending love reaching out to us. Christmas reminds us that no matter how we feel from God, Jesus has come to bring us back. Just as the shepherd was joyful over his found sheep, God is joyful when each one of us returns to him. This season, we invite you to celebrate with God and others, because just like the owner of the sheep who gets back his valuable possession, God is getting back the lost people whom he created and loves. In response to his great love, we worship God for giving the world the greatest gift, Jesus. Happy Christmas.